Today we would be asking few questions to ma'am which have come to us through mail. The first question which has come to us is, does black magic really exist?
Yes, of course it does exist. So you want more information? Okay, please go on.
But generally when you talk about black magic to people who are educated, they think you are crazy talking about such a subject, and they don't believe in it really. Would you put some light on this?
Yes, this is a very good question. Now, are you talking about specifically about India or are you talking globally? Okay. Now, to answer this, firstly, I would like to say that no offense to our country, but especially in India, it's considered that anything to do with mysterious sciences, occult, or black magic, or anything which is unknown and not visible to our eyes, is something which is not existing. It's supposed to be that only the lower class or the uneducated people, they believe in black magic and evil eye processes, but that's really not true. You will be shocked, everybody, and I've been talking about this on YouTube also in my different videos, that people overseas, they respect the paranormal activities and they respect the paranormal subject to the core, because out there it is a subject. You get a degree of paranormal sciences, you get certifications as paranormal teams, but it's just that they believe and they want to learn the unknown. And in India, whatever comes from overseas is respected and has a status here, and anything to do with our own Vedas and our own sciences is not so much in the limelight. But the answer to this is that yes, definitely we have, in fact, when we talk about individually about myself and my team, we have 90% of the people who are foreigners. They come to us for remedies, for diagnosis, case studies, and you will be shocked. People who are associated with us, of course they know about this, but for the new viewers, they are scientists, doctors, teachers, engineers, from the best of their fields, from the corporate sections. We do not deal with the class which is uneducated, because then we have the explanations, we have the studies to explain it in the most logical forms, which can only be understood by somebody who has the mental ability to grasp all those explanations.